What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix your network connection problems on your Epson EcoTank printer. And firstly, the first thing we're going to do guys is to reset our network connection on our Epson EcoTank printer by using the control panel here. So the first thing you want to do guys is make sure your EcoTank is on and ready to get fixed. So guys, in today's video, I am using a ET2 900 series EcoTank. However, guys, if you do have a different model of EcoTank, that's completely okay. These are like some general fixes that I have learned over the years that should still work regardless of your EcoTank model. I will be using the control panel for this. So if you don't have one of these, then guys, I would recommend maybe finding a different video. We do have some on our channel with for tutorials without the control panel, but if you have an EC2 800 series, then that's completely okay. The control panel still works exactly the same. So let's get right into the video, guys. What we're going to do is we are going to use the control panel here, guys, and the first thing we're going to do is to reset our network settings. Now, if you're having trouble connecting to the Wi-Fi or it's not picking up your Wi-Fi, something like that, this is the first and safest option to do. So how we do that, guys, is we want to scroll along and go to settings by pressing these buttons here, and then scroll down by pressing the down buttons, guys, and then go down to restore default settings. So press that, and then here you can see network settings, guys. We're just going to press OK, and then we are going to press OK again, and that is going to reset our network settings. Now, to get these changes into effect, guys, you will need to reset your printer. So just turn it on and off again. And then once that's done, guys, your Wi-Fi settings should be restored. And then hopefully you'll be able to connect to your Wi-Fi again. Now, if this doesn't work, guys, I do have a few other small fixes that might help you out. So one fix is that if your EcoTank isn't finding the Wi-Fi on the Wi-Fi setup wizard when you initially try and connect to the Wi-Fi via your printer, if it's not doing that, guys, I would recommend either maybe moving your printer closer to your Wi-Fi box or getting a Wi-Fi extender. These printers, they don't have very good Wi-Fi kind of outreach. They don't, unfortunately, they don't really connect to the Wi-Fi very well. If you have a weak Wi-Fi signal, then that's completely okay. Just if you can get a Wi-Fi extender for your house, they're pretty good anyway. I'd recommend. You can get one off Amazon for like £5 to £10 or dollars. So that's the first thing I'd recommend. The second thing is that if your Wi-Fi name, so like if your Wi-Fi connection name has any like symbols in it, then the EcoTank won't be able to pick it up. Now, this is just a flaw in the EcoTank software. I don't know why they haven't fixed this, but if you have any symbols or emojis or anything like that in your Wi-Fi signal name, then you won't be able to connect to your Wi-Fi. So if you can, change it. If not, then there is a good chance you will be able to connect via your phone. Now, to do this, you want to come over to Wi-Fi setup on the home screen, as I'm doing here. And this is also the last step that I'd recommend to anyone else if you're having trouble connecting to your Wi-Fi, is to connect via a different method than you were doing before. So if you were trying to connect via your phone via the Epson Smart app, then I would recommend trying the Wi-Fi setup wizard on your EcoTank here. And if you're having trouble via the EcoTank, guys, then I would recommend doing it via the Epson Smart app. So as you can see, here we have Easy Connect with app. Just press OK, guys, and it's going to show you instructions on how to connect via the Epson Smart app. But guys, what I would do is we do have a full comprehensive guide in the description below on how to connect your EcoTank to the Wi-Fi with your phone. So if your phone is connected to a Wi-Fi, then you should be able to just connect your phone to your printer via the Smart app, and then your printer will also be connected to the same Wi-Fi via your phone. Now, that is all the tips I have for today. Guys, if you're having any other problems, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and we will try and help you out as best as we can. But thank you guys very much for watching. If you did find this video helpful, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, as that would help us out so much. We just love helping you guys out. We love printers, and we hope you love printers too, guys. They're pretty cool pieces of technology. And if you guys need any paper supplies, printing supplies, ink, even a new printer, guys, check out our sponsor in the description, guys. They are a really good third-party paper and printing supply store. They ship worldwide, guys. They do on-brand, off-brand, whatever you guys need. They have it in stock, and you'd be helping out a small business, and you'd be helping out us, your favorite printer content creators. But that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.